In today's video, we'll be doing a 48-hour Shopify dropshipping challenge. This means we'll be going on Shopify, creating a web store, and then running paid Snapchat ads. We only have 2 days to make as much profit as possible. For this challenge, we'll be going over product research, funnel creation, and how to run Snapchat ads. Stay to the end of the video where I'll give away my secret strategy on how to increase average order value and put more money into your pocket. But for now, let's hop behind the screen and go find a winning product. I find 90% of my winners on this software called PP Ads. The countries we're gonna look for are all breadwinners, so you know what that means. Country, United States. Call to action, shop now. Ecom platform, Shopify. Ad type, non-branded. Landing page, Shopify product. Here's the list of requirements we're looking for when finding a winning product. First, the product has to have margins above $15. Second, the product has to be unique, problem-solving, or impulsive. Third, the product has to be used by a wide demographic of people on Snapchat. For example, we don't want to attempt to sell a product on Snapchat for people that are aged 40 plus. Now that we know what kind of products to look for, I'm gonna scroll through the list and I'll come back if I find something that catches my eye. I came across this product right here. It's a pheromone perfume designed for women to get more attention from guys. This product could be a huge winner because the majority of the audience on Snapchat are girls aged between 18 and 25. Like I said earlier, the product we choose has to be problem solving, unique, or impulsive, which this product is all three. In order to make sure this product is worth testing, I'm gonna type in our Chrome extension PP Spy and make sure that the other competitors are getting sales. I found this brand right here selling the pheromone oil, and as we can see, they're getting consistent sales. Now that we know this product is worth testing, it's time to build the store. Let's get started. As you can see, we are on the Add a Product screen on Shopify. Let's name the product Pheromone Perfume. The style of product page that I use is called the block method, and it goes as follows. 1 emotional header, 2 small sentences describing the header, and then 1 image or GIF. For the header, we'll do start feeling confident in your own skin. For the 2 sentences, you should go very in-depth about what the customer is actually getting and how it touches their emotions with the header. For the last part of the block method, I suggest using an image that sparks emotion. For this test, I'll use a picture of 2 people getting very affectionate. Now for the rest of the product page, you're gonna wanna add 2 to 3 more block style content. Some ideas for the rest of your product page could include the benefits, a testimonial, a story, or even the demographic that could use the product. After you're done creating the product page, it's time to add some reviews. In order to do this, we'll be using the app A-Reviews in the Shopify App Store. Now we'll head to AliExpress where we'll search for the product and then copy the link address and then paste it back in the A-Reviews on the product. Use these settings on A-Reviews for the best result. This is the product page that I came up with. It's important we make our product pages both simple and professional. The theme I'm using is called Dawn and it's free on the Shopify App Store. Now that I've shown you how I do product research and how I build stores, it's time to start running ads. Here we are in the ads manager on Snapchat. All we're gonna do is click create a campaign. Now we're gonna name this Pheromone Auto Bid. Now pay attention here, this is very important. We are at the ad set level and what we're gonna do is make sure that it runs at midnight on the next day. Now as you can see, it's set to midnight, and the reason we do this is because if you don't let it run a full day, Snapchat has no idea how to spend your budget. If you're looking to start Shopify dropshipping, I have a link here for 3 months for only $1 each. That's $3 for 3 months of free trial. Anyways, back to the video. Now we're gonna leave the targeting all the same. We don't wanna touch any of the features. Make sure to use the goal pixel purchase, otherwise this will not work as well. If you don't have pixel purchase unlocked, there are 2 solutions for you. First of all, you can use swipe up campaign, or your second option is run ads on TikTok until you have enough purchases to use the magical pixel purchase. And now we're at the ad level, so what we're gonna do is make sure to have a public profile installed, and all you have to do is click the drop down and then click public profiles right here. For the headline of our ad, we'll be using $24 today only. So on Snapchat, we're gonna run 3 different ad creatives to test our product. Let's go back to PP ads and then use the creatives that the other brand is using on Snapchat so we can test the product to see if it's a winner. If this challenge was any longer, I would order the product myself, make some home movies with it, and then use those ad creatives to test. As you can see up here, we have 3 ad creatives put up on the product. Now we just have to wait 24 hours to see our ad results, so then we can make decisions based on that. I'm gonna get some rest. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
24 hours later.
It's been 24 hours since the last clip, and my Shopify notifications have been going crazy. It's time to take a look at our day one results. So as we can see, from only that one campaign that spent, we did a total of $387 in just the first day. Let's do some easy math and count the bag that we just made. We take our $387 in revenue minus the cost of goods sold, which is a $120 rune skis. We're looking at $267 after cost of goods. Then now we take the ad costs away as well. Minus 50 comes out to $217 on the day. Now that we know this is gonna be super profitable, it's time for me to reveal my super secret average order value trick. Before I begin, I forgot to mention my offer for the pheromone perfume was buy one, get one free. I think this is why it did so well. Now we're gonna download the app called Wide Bundle on the Shopify App Store. Inside of the Wide Bundle app, you're gonna wanna add 3 different variants: a 1-pack, a 2-pack, and a 3-pack. Now that I've shown you my secret average order value strategy, for the next day, we're gonna scale our budget on Snapchat by 30%, and that's it. Let's see what happens. It has now been 48 hours. The challenge is officially over. Let's see the result. As you can see, we spent a total of $65 in ads to make back $755. Now let's do some math and see our profits for both days. Our combined revenue from both day 1 and day 2 equaled out to $1,142. Let's take our revenue minus our cost of goods sold, which was around $365. We spent a total of $155 in ads across both days. Our total result comes out to $622 in just 2 days of running ads. I really hope this challenge opened up your mind to what's possible with dropshipping and making money online as a whole. Imagine if you just put in a couple hours of work a day into dropshipping, how far you would go. I hope I brought you some sort of value today, and I hope just one of you takes action, because this realistically could change your whole life. Drop a comment on what other dropshipping videos you want to see from me this year, and it's been Josh. I'm out.